Hey, what's up, Fit Soldiers? We're gonna break down your side plank. Okay, let's clean it up, let's break it down. And here's what we got. Let's go this way. So side plank, you're on one arm, one elbow, and laying on your side. So set up, you're laying on your side, elbow stacked under your shoulder, feet stacked. Get a little bend in the knees, this will make sense when we get started. So from here, we're just gonna press those legs straight. Now we're stacked better here. If we started straight and we tried to pop up from that, we'd be a little further away. So get them bent, stack them, okay? Pack this shoulder in before you get started so we're not sloppy and slouchy here. Keep this shoulder integrity strong. Hips are forward, shoulders are open, head, shoulders, hips, knees, ankles, straight in a line. Don't let the head fall off, don't let the shoulders follow, don't let the hips fall back, okay? From the side, okay, you should see my head, shoulders, hips, knees, ankles, straight in a line. Stack it strong, get it as long as you can, and holding that side plank. Other things, we need to modify this. Bend your bottom knee, okay? Keep thighs parallel to each other, pop it up, build that core strength so that you can one day go to your feet, okay? Other options for progressions, stacking the feet. I would progress once you're on your feet. Don't try and progress. I want you to just build your core strength if you're on your knees to get onto your feet first and then progress from there. So side plank, strong. Okay, we can drop the hips, drive the hips. Okay, we can stagger the feet and go into some rotation here. Turning down, back up. Okay, your feet may swiggle away from you, but walk them back in as you go. Okay, so there's a few options for your side plank. And there you have it. Get after that side plank, get it strong, give both sides, get after it, have fun with it. We'll see you soon.